Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Prada Linea Rossa sunglasses, model SPS54T in color code 5AV3M1. The color of the frame is gunmetal. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that the frame doesn't get scratched or damaged. The lenses are also gray gradients. And these glasses are pilot shape. You'll also find the Prada logo on its top left lens. The temples are silver, and you'll find the Prada logo in red on its temple. This is the inside of the frame. On its inner right temple is the Prada logo that it's made in Italy and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 58 is for its lens, 14 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. You'll also find the Prada logo on its temple tip. The glasses also come with a Prada gift box, a Prada hard case, a Prada booklet, and a cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.